Section 1. Sehemu ya kwanza. Vowels. Irabu. A, E, I, O, U. What is a vowel? A vowel is a sound such as the ones represented in writing by the letters A, E, I, O, and O. Which you pronounce with your mouth open, allowing the air to flow through it. In Swahili language, there are only 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Reading and writing vowels. Kusoma na kuandika irabu. Read after me. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Repeat reading more and more and more until you be perfect. Write the vowels below. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Repeat writing more and more until you be perfect. Note: write while you are uttering a letter you are writing. While you are writing, remember, you have to stop your video and start writing. Write more and more and more until you feel the taste of writing letters. Exercise 1. Fill the gaps by putting the missing letter. A, gap. I, gap. O, gap. Note: write while you are uttering a letter you are writing. Exercise 1B. Fill the gaps below. Number 1. Gap, 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 O. Number 2. Gap, gap, or gap. Number 3. Gap, 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 gap. Remember, while doing exercise, stop your video. Take your exercise book and a pen, and then start writing until you fail the test of writing letters. Reading vowels. Kusoma irabu. Now, you have to read quickly. Follow after me. A, 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 a. E, 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 e. E, 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 E. O, 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 O. U, 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 U. Not. Repeat reading more and more until you be perfect. Writing vowels. Kuandika irabu. Write the vowels below. Stop your video and start writing until you fail the test of writing letters. A, 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 A. E, 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 E. E, 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 E. O, 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 O. U, 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 U. Repeat writing more and more, and write while you are entering a letter you are writing until you be perfect. Exercise 2. Complete the letters in each line. One line has completed as an example to you. A, 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 A. Now, you are required to complete the line below. E, E, O, O. Not. Write while you are uttering a letter you are writing. Dear student, thank you very much for have been enrolled to this course. I hope you are enjoying the trainings. I believe soon you are going to be a Swahili language reader, speaker, and writer. Keep it up.